Okay, Harvey the Silver Box here again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Marty's training found by clicking here. But before I really get started, let's go to the top of this page. If you're watching this video on the internet someplace and you're not on this page here, simply scroll down and click on the link in the description of this video. Now keep in mind what I'm talking about and training about today may not be viable tomorrow. What works on the internet today may not work tomorrow. I've made probably 2,000 videos over the course of the last few years. And I'll be honest with you, many of those videos are out of date already. So keep that in mind when you're watching this video, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now. The things have changed. In fact, this video has changed. Okay, I've updated this page with this information here, and when you watch this video here, I talk about something else down here, so kind of keep that in mind when watching this video. Also, if you want your crypto wallets and portfolios to look like ours, this is my business partner, Marty Bostic. Of course, this is me, below, and if you add all this up, it's about $250,000. You need to follow the instructions on this page, and you need to read and watch each and every video on this page here. Also keep in mind that we did not make this overnight. If you are looking for something that you can make lots of money fast because you have a car payment coming up Friday, this is not for you. And if you can find something where you can make thousands of dollars overnight fast, let us know. Okay? And nobody's been able to bring that to us where you can make just thousands of dollars overnight fast with no investments. We're here waiting for it. We've been waiting for it for years. Nobody's brought that to us. So kind of keep that in mind. All right, so let's get down here and let's get busy. So, after you go through Marty's training found here, of course, you're going to come here. When you click on that link, it's going to open up. You're going to put your first name, last name, email, password, and of course, you're going to re-enter your password. Now, if you are already in the system, the team build training area, click here if you already have an account and log in. Now, when you log in, you're going to be presented with these two. Team building training start here, and of course the Crypto Funnel Builder Bundle. I'm going to talk about this first. Real easy. Now this is going to take you some time to go through the training. If you don't have time to go through the training, and if you just need to get out there and start making money fast, just turn off your computer and do something else in life. Because if you don't slow down and learn how to do it the right way, this isn't going to work for you. In fact, anything online, trying to make money online, you need to slow down and go to school. And this is what going to school is all about. So you're going to click here or click here, start. And it's going to take you over to these modules. You can see, look at the percentage complete here. There's going to be about, well, actually there's 42 modules back here. Don't get excited now. I know you're in a hurry, but you need to slow down and go through each module, and he's going to show you where we advertise, how we advertise. He's going to give you a lot of tools you can use. It's not going to cost you anything. He's going to give you everything that you need, everything that we used to make this type of money up here. So it didn't happen overnight, but you have everything, all the secrets, all the tools, everything that you need to make a full-time living in this business. Okay, so let's back up a little bit. The Crypto Funnel Builder Bundle. You just place this back here in the training area. Click here, start. Here's the overview. Here's the products, here's the training, and how to be productive. Now, we talk about this bundle. It's called the money's in the list. How would you like to have your own sales funnel marketing system? No monthly payments. What I want you to do is, before you go through that bundle here, I want you to watch this video here. Why 98% of online marketers fail. The money's in the list. The list is all that matters. I'll be talking about why you must, in order to survive in this business, you must have a large list of prospects and leads. And I'm not talking about a few hundred or a couple thousand. You need 20, 50, 100,000 leads in your list. To create that list, you must have a sales funnel marketing system like the one above. And here's the video here. Marty talks about it. And I think he has the same video back here. So before you jump in here and start going through all this, make sure you watch this video here. It's very important that you watch that video there to better understand what you're going to get with this funnel builder. So the training you're going to receive will show you how we banked the $250,000 shown in the image above at the top of the page, which I've shown it to you already. Once you go through Marty's training, there should be no excuses that you can't make the same type of money that Marty and I have made over the years in the months and years to come. But you got to slow down, gang. You got to spend some time and go to school to learn how to do it the right way. If you don't have the time, do me a favor, just turn off your computer and do something else in life, because you will fail. Right here. Why 98% of online marketers fail. Right here in this video right here. So my next video is going to be about Marty's checklist on what Marty and I do on a daily, for our daily activities. We give it to you, we lay it out for you, detailed. In fact, you can go check it off in there by clicking here, but I'm not gonna show it to you now, okay? You're gonna have to get into this page here and then scroll down here and watch these videos, and then come down here and take a look at Marty's checklist. Very powerful. With that said, Harvey the Silver Fox here. Go up here, click on this image up here, and I'll meet you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group. Okay, let's go make some money.